Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be talking about a topic that is of utmost importance to all of us, how to make successful business, and in this video, I will be sharing some tips on how to achieve just that. Starting a business can be a daunting task, but with the right plan and approach, anyone can build a successful business. In this video, we'll go over 10 key steps to building a successful business, from identifying a need to staying motivated. We'll cover everything from conducting market research to securing funding, building a team, developing a marketing strategy, and more. Whether you're a new entrepreneur or a seasoned business owner, this video will provide valuable insights and tips for building a successful business. We'll provide real-world examples and practical advice for each step, so you can apply these principles to your own business. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap for building a successful business and the motivation and tools to make it happen. So if you're ready to take your business to the next level, here's a brief 10 steps to building a successful business. 1. Identify a need. This step involves identifying a need or gap in the market that your business can fill. By identifying a need, you can create a product or service that solves a problem for your customers. 2. Conduct market research. This step involves researching the market to understand your competition, target audience, and industry trends. By conducting market research, you can gain valuable insights that can help you make informed decisions about your business. 3. Develop a business plan. This step involves creating a business plan that outlines your goals, strategies, and financial projections. A business plan is crucial for securing funding and providing a roadmap for your business. 4. Secure funding. This step involves finding funding for your business, whether it's through investors, loans, or other sources. Securing funding is essential for launching and growing your business. 5. Build a team. This step involves building a team of employees or partners who can help you grow your business. Finding the right people and managing them effectively is crucial for success. 6. Develop a marketing strategy. This step involves creating a marketing strategy that will help you reach your target audience and promote your products or services. A strong marketing strategy can help you stand out in a crowded market. 7. Launch the business. This step involves launching your business and putting your plans into action. This includes setting up your website, creating your products or services, and launching your marketing campaign. 8. Monitor progress. This step involves tracking your progress and making adjustments as needed. By monitoring your progress, you can identify areas for improvement and stay on track towards your goals. 9. Foster customer relationships. This step involves building strong relationships with your customers to foster loyalty and repeat business. By providing great customer service and engaging with your customers, you can build a loyal customer base. 10. Stay motivated. This step involves staying motivated and focused on your goals, even in the face of challenges and setbacks. By staying positive and motivated, you can overcome obstacles and achieve success. Hope you found these tips helpful, and I wish you all the best on your journey. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.